वेलकम बैक टू कोर टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं आर्केड फरवरी 2026 का स्प्रिंट 4 का क्विज। फर्स्ट क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। सो इस लैब में हमें बस क्विज को ओपन रखना है फॉर 10 मिनट्स एंड द लैब विल कंप्लीट इटसेल्फ एंड वी कैन जस्ट एंड इट। हाउएवर, यहाँ पे क्विज दिया गया है जिसको हम अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं। इसमें अगर सही भी हुआ या गलत भी हुआ तब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। इट डज नॉट रियली मैटर्स इफ इट गेट्स राइट और रॉन्ग। So we will just attempt the quiz, and after completing the quiz we will just wait till the timer exceeds 10 minutes mark. So first let's get started. So the quiz one, the first question says the in Google Cloud IAM, what do you call a defined function? Sorry. So let's get started. The first question is in Google Cloud IAM, what do you call a defined collection of specific permissions? That is role. And the second question says which Google Cloud tools allows you to manage permissions and access levels for different users? It is IAM, the service accounts as you remember. And the third question says which Google Cloud resource is required to define the configuration, machine type, image for a managed instance group. So it is instance template. Next is the question 4, which says what feature of a Google Cloud MIG, the managed instance groups, automatically adds more VMs when web traffic increases? That is auto scaling that we just did in the previous lab. Now on to the question 5. When deploying a VM instance with multiple network interfaces in Google Cloud, what is mandatory requirement for each interface regarding its network connection? So it must be attached to a different VPC network. So, alright, this one. Now, the sixth question is how will you attach multiple network interfaces to a VM instance during creation using gcloud? So, for this, you have to use the network interface flag multiple times. And the quiz is completed. Now, we will just wait for the timer to reach 20-minute mark and then we will end it after the 10 minutes have already passed. After the 10 minutes mark is crossed, you can just simply end this lab and the lab is completed. To check if it is absolutely completed and you got the points, go back and it will come as completed here. So congratulations, the lab is complete.